WBC. Sir Juluka, congratulations, sir. Yes. Ang ating first best spiker is jersey number 2 ng Tansa, John Felix Nagal. Dito ba na? Our second best spiker is from Tansa Elementary School, jersey number 17. Flores Lilio. Congratulations! Pag tinawag, gusto ko yung panranalo sa awards sa akin tayo dapat. Best server is jersey number 12, Frank De La Cruz. Our best setter is jersey number 12, Frank De La Cruz. Tumalong ka. Yeah. Best libero is jersey
Yes! Alam ko yan!
16, Rob.
Yeah!
Best opposite spiker is jersey number 1, Kes Cedric De La Cruz. Paano yung excited? Paano yung saya? Huwag yung iyan. Wala pa rin. Usap ka din sa kanila. At ngayon naman, i-announce natin ang ating most valuable player. Ang ating MVP ay manggagaling sa Tansa Elementary School at walang iba kundi si jersey number 12, Frank De La Cruz.
Ay, ang galing ni
Okay,
Frank.
picture kids. Picture tayo kasama ang ating tournament director and ating mga officials. Congratulations, you really did your very best. Okay, narito po ang ating tournament director para mabigyan ng konting kaalaman